Yo, what's up, y'all? We in the Ultra Lab, man. We got this beat rolling, man. We might as well start this course line. Y'all with that?
Yeah, let's do this shit, man.
Yo, so how we gonna do this, yo? Matter of fact, you know how we gonna do it? Yo, Tim Dog, you lead it off, alright?
Alright.
So we gonna get out of here, man. It's on you. Take it, my brother.
Shit. Call me the hick, the victim. Cause I'm too quick. I'll be appraised and raised with the brave. I'm the headmaster and you're my slave. Metaphor master, rhymes all disaster. Have to class the faster, call me the master. You wanna check, project with a simile, but I'm so large. The procrastinator, the hater, plater. You wanna be taught? Raider. Out control, get bold, uphold, refold, in tow. Cause I got so many dollars, scholars, hollers. Girls wanna stop and talk, but I walk away. Cause dog don't lay. Rappers wanna play, go ride a sleigh. I'm compared and dare with the stare. You say where? I'm over here. Metaphor physical, rhymes are artistical, lyrical, miracle, difficult, to some terrifical. Hypothetically, alphabetically, energetically, theoretically, no joke hardcore. Rhymes will stick more, dog will get more. Yes, 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 y'all. I manifest, protest, and progress. Confess with reflex, cause I get coached. I can't believe how dope I am. Give me a pound, thank you ma'am. So whether you think that I'm just a myth, the rip, the lift, the gifts, the ifs, the fifth, the shift, the split, the thing, control, a hole, a bowl, a bowler, make it, take it, ache and fake. Woo! Hot damn, I'm great, I'm on the chorus line.
It's the chorus line.
It's the chorus line.
It's the chorus line.
Yo, trap, yeah, bust your rhyme.
Hold the beat, stop the beat, drop the beat, give me a second to think of the dopest language, lyrical interest of metaphor, better for if and or before the score. One more then implore the rhyme, line fine, combine these signs, redefine, intertwine, down the line, see the sign, stop sign, pause, and let me enter your brain. Reshape the full circumference, then maintain the build, in which I equal to destroy. I'm like a twisted tornado, you're just a toy boy made, manufactured by Parker Brothers. You bought your rhymes from another wholesale. Words are stale, up the bail, cause you fail. Try to trail my certain style, words and rhythm for connecting, dissecting, interjecting. I'm collecting fees the way it actually should be known to me, cause that's the way it has to be done for me, mine, and everyone else around. You're unequal to the sound of my ratio. My strength is mental, universal power. For the hour, I will rain like a shower, nucleon, cause you beyond fatal, more than able, also capable of taking you out without a doubt. And with clock, just a sissy, I suck a Girl Scout. I rewind myself and then begin again. Strike, ignite, and burn, just like hydrogen. Come again, as I intend to start the end, to go beyond means of a titan. I'm fighting, releasing my fury to cause static and shine. The superstar reigns supreme. The other lover has got to be dope and deaf, the best that never fess. Unless you guess the test, a threat and jest. Never mess up from a chorus line. Yo, say, here's your rhyme.
Metaphor layer, kicking it righteous. That G's the hypest, man that might just rip and chew this, rap right through this. Beat that sweet to eat, I'm not new to this. Rapping with swing and being the sting man, seeing the one who can rap with me, understand. The fact that I sound deaf means that I'm building. I'm so dope, I got rhymes by the million. The image maker, breaker, taker, faker, shaker. You rhyme like me, you should've stayed the hell out the industry, cause that means you're jocking me, you're sweating me, getting me, telling me you're not ahead of me. But that's not all, I just feel that I'm better than, cause I'm ultra, and I'm a veteran with rhymes, by the thou, stacks and pow. I'm a scientist, you say how? The hell can we ever trust such when he starts to bust? A rhyme with yell force, conducting with mega thrust. The biller, iller, killer, dealer feels the will to make the people straight and still. The prance and dance and find romance and take the chance to glance while I still deal. Rhymes that's powerful, witty and logical, mystical, just to show what I know when I go out and move on to battle tip. You rhymes like shit, use a quick stick to stick the type of hype I like to recite on my chorus line.
Yeah, boys, the chorus line. Hey, yo, keep, you know what? It's your rhyme.
I'm cranking up with the rhymes, brain tanks need fuel, Sunoco. Diesel rhymes are locked in, turbo, combustion attitude, gratitude, increasing altitude, levels, but changing latitude. It's very rude when you step on my path, I laugh and giggle, smile and grin, my friend, my style within holds the rights to win your brain. I've been like a pound of steel, lethal power. To me, your weasel power. I'm overloaded with tons of diesel power. Contraction, you're not ready for action. 200 rappers a day, I keep waxing, buffing, cleaning, polishing every act up. You wanna battle with me, you must be cracked up. Stop the jokes, the games you're playing. You never was saying or paying one bit of attention to me, my rhymes, my clothes, my hat, my shoes, my shirt, my tie. The glasses on my eye. I try not to cry, cause the whack is ever, never better. Clever to pick up the mic in any snow or rain, whether or not you try to scheme or dream or beam or light. But my lyrics are bright like a satellite with crystal ball knowledge. I go to college, attend to astrology tests. A million groups of best, I'm still the best. Cool keeps to impress, I'm like a heat ray. Cooking up your brain, I like it well done. On the chorus line.